Hey students, if you're seeing this video, you're floating around right in here, Chapter 4 review. We're getting ready for this Chapter 4 test. Things we talked about, Neolithic, Paleolithic ages, Ice Ages, and sort of the first civilizations, agricultural revolution, stuff like that. How do we prep for this test? Well, there's a study guide here. If it doesn't load up for you, just hit the refresh button. Know that vocab. If you can answer all these questions, you're probably in pretty good shape. Remember, hey, it's an open notes test, and that's going to turn out useful. And I'm going to tell you why. Here's our forum we always have. You want to throw questions or concerns in here. Let's just take a look at the test, shall we? Let's take a little preview. It's worth 30 points. You have 2 attempts if you need it. It's going to take a minute for me to grade them all because it's all essay. Question 1, well, it's not all essay. We have a vocab matching here. Vocab matching, and then our essay. Question 3. Using complete sentences, describe life in the Paleolithic age. Things to talk about would be. So these are things that you should write about. Roles of men and women. What was their primary activity? What kind of tools did they use? Alright, Paleolithic age is covered. Question 4. Using complete sentences to answer the following question. How did the agricultural revolution lead to the first civilization? So there's a series of events here. Things to talk about. Agricultural revolution. What is that? Formation of villages. How did the agricultural revolution lead to the formation of villages? How did that lead to specialization? And how does specialization lead to the characteristics of civilization? So all these things are connected. Can you connect the dots? I think we did in the lesson. If you see this and you go, oh my goodness, I have no idea how to answer this, hey, just shoot me a message. I could cover it all in 5 minutes. 5-minute conversation. We have it. So please, if you need help preemptively with question 4, just let me know. We'll talk about it. We'll hash it out. All right. Make sure you cover all of these things when you're answering this one. Remember, more is better with an essay question. Very, very, very seldom dock for having too much information. All right, so that's your test. I can't really prep you more than that. That's it. We're moving in next, our very next chapter. Once we load up, chapter 4 is done. Chapter 5, we'll move into ancient Egypt. Be good stuff. Then India, China, then Greece. It's gonna be great. Okay, talk to you guys later.